Hello students, and welcome again to eMaths with Mr. Meshack Ngige. Kindly remember to subscribe, share, and also comment how these lessons are being helpful to you. Now, today we're going to be taking another question on statistics, and that is when you've been given a question but you have missing values in your table. So in our case here, so we have the table. We suppose we've been given the table. I've already written it in terms of the column arrangement. Okay, so remember, most of the times you're given a question in terms of row arrangement with the columns being around 2. Now, in this case, so I've taken my data and arranged it vertically. So we're supposed to find the value of x and y given the median of 35 and a total frequency of 170. Now, this one already just gives you the direction by the end of the day. You have been given the what? The median. So what you just need is the things that you need when you're calculating the what? When you're calculating the median. And what do you need? Only did the cumulative frequency. And again, I said this is an inclusive data because the upper class limit is the lower class limit in the next class. So now let's take how we get our CF. Our CF is achieved by, so I'm saying we need to get the formula for median will be given by L plus N over 2 minus CF over F, then multiply by the what? By the interval. So we need to get the lower class limit, we need to get N over 2, we need to get the CF above and above, then you have the F, then you have the I. Now remember, okay, let's first of all get the CF. So you have 10 plus 20, we have 30, sorry, we have 30 plus x, just give us 30 plus x, 30 plus x plus 40, that is 70 plus x, 70 plus x plus y, so plus x plus y. So I'm just adding the values, okay, and this plus this gives us 90, 95 plus x plus y, then this and this gives us 110 plus x plus y. Okay, we're together. So these are our values. Now the next thing is identify where your median lies. So our median lies at n over 2. That is the median position. So n over 2, that is 170 divided by 2. What do you get as the value? To be what? 5. Yes, so 180 divided by, it is 85. So you have 85. So the position lies where you have 85 by the end of the day. And in our case, we have 70 plus x, we have 70 plus x plus y. So it can lie maybe here or here, or even here at the end of the day. But now since we have a value, we have the central value that has a digit which has a frequency, we can take it at this point. We can take it at 70 plus x because we have a frequency which has already been given here. And if we check in our distribution of data by the end of the day, we're supposed to get 170 in total. So, and we have 110 as from now without the x and the y. So we're only missing 60 in terms in value. So by any chance, if we divide the 60 maybe by 2, we can basically guess that our value will lie somewhere here because this is the highest frequency anyway that has been given there. Now, but remember in our median we're not looking at the frequency, we're looking at the class. So we take an assumption, we just take it to be in that position. So now, assuming now this is our value, we're taking this to be our value, so we can get our L. Our L in that case will be what? The lower class limit, which will be 30. And we have found that n over 2 is given by 85. The cumulative frequency above this is 30 plus x. Then what else? The frequency is 40. Okay, the frequency of the class is 40. What is missing? The interval. The interval, just since this one is an inclusive data, so just subtract any of the two. So 20 minus 10, 10 minus 0, which gives us what? Which gives us 10. Alright, so we are saying having this now, we replace that in the formula and we know the median has been given, and the median has has been given to be what? To be 35. Now let's now replace all these values in our equation there and work out the value of x and the value of x and y. So now, we have L, our L is 30, plus, then we have n over 2, which is 85, minus cumulative frequency is 30 plus x, so into bracket 30 plus x, okay, then over the frequency, which is 40, then over, into bracket, then multiply by the interval, so we have that. So this one should give you what? Should give you 30, should give you 35 at the end of the day. Now, therefore, we can simplify that. So this one is 30 plus, can open the bracket. 85, remember you're supposed to open this bracket. And this negative is very important because it changes the sign that you have inside the bracket. So 85 minus 30, that will give 14. 55, can just confirm that. 85 minus 30, yeah, gives you 55. Then minus x, remember these are negative, then there is a positive when you open the bracket to get that. Then you can cancel this and this, so you just have what? You have 4, that should give you 35. Then from there, take the constant to this other side, so you have 55 minus x over 4 equals to 35 minus 30, and that one gives you 55 minus x over 4, which gives you what? Which gives you 5. Then from there, multiply the constant in the denominator both sides. So multiply this side by 4, multiply by 4, so that you remove this and that. So we have 55 minus x equals to what? Equals to 20. Take 55 to this other side, so you have negative x equals to 20 minus 55, which gives us negative x equals to negative 30, negative 35. Then they cancel the negative and the negative, and that goes. So the negative and the negative goes. So you get your value of x, which will be given by 30. By 35. That is the value of x. Now, how do we get the value of y? We know one thing, that the total frequency, cumulative frequency here, should be the total frequency that we have. So the summation of all of these should give us 170. So therefore, 110 plus x plus y should be 170. Then take this to the other side, and you know the value of x already, which is 35. So 110 plus 35 plus y equals to 170. So this one gives us 145 plus y equals to 170. Then your y therefore is 170 minus 45 into minus 145, and it will give you, so let me just write it, 170 minus 145. Therefore your y value given by 25. And students, that is how you get a missing value when you've been given the what? When you've been given the median and the total frequency. So our value of x is 35 and our value of y is 25.